Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to create poll on Messenger. For these settings you have to open your Facebook Messenger. Search on new tab Messenger and click to enter and click here. After clicking here you have to go the Messenger on your desktop. After opening your Messenger, you have to click a group or chat. Then you can see here plus icon. Click the plus icon here. See guys, there is no poll option to send. I'm going to other group and you can see here create poll option. Click to create a poll and ask a question here. And click to add option. Yes, then click to other option. Then click to create poll. After clicking create poll, the poll will be started. See guys, I created a poll. Hello, I have a new income unit. If you want to vote, click the vote, then select a option, then click to submit. See guys, I have give a vote. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.